Hi, this is Tony Zaldua at Budget Bicycles, explaining today on how to clean a rusty chain. Okay, to clean a rusty chain, basically you're going to need a brush with nylon bristles or a brush with brass bristles if you have it, and a degreaser. Any degreaser will work. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a rusty chain. I'm going to spray a little bit of degreaser on there. Just like that, and then just take your brush. You could either brush at the same time or spray and pause and brush. Sometimes the rust is on there pretty good, and so you have to scrub a lot, or if you want to scrub less, take your steel bristle or brass bristle and scrub on there. And then you want to do all four sides too. So I'm just going to do this one side here since you can see the rust. I like to sort of spray and brush at the same time. And so then I'll stop and sometimes you have to use some of your muscle. Spray and check again. Doing pretty good there. And then I'll spray and then I'll wipe off and see how we're doing here. Hey, pretty good. There you go. So you can see your before and after, and looks like I've succeeded in taking the rust off. So that's how you do it. And just go ahead and do certain little bits and pieces and parts, and then all of a sudden you've cleaned your whole chain. Then after that, dry it properly and lube it, and you're all set. Okay, this is Tony Zaldua at Budget Bicycles. Just explained how to properly clean a bicycle chain.